Hey guys, welcome back to another video here at Empty Paradise's Cars and Collectibles. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button because there's a lot more videos to come, and this video is going to be super awesome. We do have a limited Hot Wheels RLC car, and this thing is actually pretty cool. It's a Volkswagen T1 Rockster, so let's go ahead and take it out of its protective packaging. It literally just came in the mail, so we're going to go ahead, and there's a little bit of kind of dust on that, but wow, this thing looks incredible. Obviously, you got that Spectraflame purple paint there, which looks really good in that light. And then it has like the giant Baja wheels, and has the one in the back. It does have like the rubber Real Riders tires on it, but this thing is pretty cool. And then when I go ahead and flip it around to the back, you guys can see the little limited sticker. It's number 5,531 out of 30,000. You guys can kind of see it right there. So I love when Hot Wheels puts the stickers to kind of show how limited a car is. This one does look pretty cool. It's actually like huge compared to like a lot of the other cars that they come out with, especially recently. But this thing is really cool. Essentially like a Volkswagen T1 bus, but obviously turned into like a pickup truck and then like an off-road vehicle. Has a snorkel up on top. Got a brush guard right there in the front with like a little winch. This thing is really cool, and Hot Wheels did an amazing job with all that fine detail on this car. Let me know down in the comments down below if you guys like this car or if you've already picked one up. I know a lot of people were excited that there's another Volkswagen coming. So yeah, you can see like that logo right there in the front. And then the license plate is RCK STR, so the Rockster, but just kind of abbreviated. So that's pretty cool there. But yeah, let me know down in the comments down below if you guys like this. I think this is a really cool car. It is, I don't know if it's the exact same color as the R34 Nissan GTR, but it does look like it is like that same color, that like Spectraflame purple. But yeah, I think this looks really cool. If you guys did like this video, definitely go down, hit that like button down below. I do have a lot more videos coming, and also right here beside me you have the whole stack of Amazon black boxes. I do a lot of case unboxings with those, and I did recently just come out with a case unboxing for a new Case H, so definitely check out my channel. I have a lot of videos, a lot of case unboxings, and a lot of exclusives like RLC cars, as well as some Hot Wheel NFT cars. So definitely hit the like button, subscribe, but as always, thank you for watching.